First of all, the first round, actually, I was been already placed in Aristo,
Okay.
that is in for this interiors, and then I was looking for another job. So
Okay.
I've got to know about this job by Shweta ma'am, which she's our HR,
Okay.
and so the first round was the HR round. It was a pretty well like normal questions. She wanted to know about my communication skills. So
Okay.
she talked about my hobbies and what did I did till this 1 year, and it was like a 15 minutes interview for the first round.
It was a video call
The
or phone call?
It was a telephonic, sir. First
Okay.
round was a telephonic round, and the
O-
second and third rounds were the video calling
Okay.
interview.
Can
So
you
second
explain
was the more technical one. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Can you explain how you prepared for this program, for this
For yeah,
interviews?
sir. Yes, already have been learned so many things in construction management by Natarajan sir. He was very well and grasped so many information and new things which I didn't studied in my college while my graduation, sir.
Okay.
So it was very new to me to the construction world, and
Mhm.
now I can tell that I have few information either than that of my academics.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So it was very helpful for me to crack this interview through that construction management trainings.
Okay.
So the second round was like it was like half an hour. It was a VC interview, and she is supposed to be my boss now.
Okay.
So and questions asked was very. Mostly it's communication skills as well, sir. Only communication skill that matters most and skillful, and she was testing my patience.
Okay. Okay.
How patient I am, how can I take things, and how many at what time I can put down, like due to stress, I can manage how strong I can handle my stress and everything. She was looking forward to that.
Okay.
So it was very good interview, and then she was very nice to me.
Whether she has explained about your role, can you explain what is your
Yes,
role?
she explained about my role. Like I'll be communicating with I'll be the primary person to contact with the customers, and
Okay.
secondly, I'll be handling some of the cash flow accounts and uh, pretty well. So this is the main role I'm doing right now. So and I have my role. Can I explain that role, sir?
Yeah, yeah, please, please.
I'll be responding to the complaints of my clients, and I'll be managing the contacts on IRC customers, and I'll be handling the time management and schedules, cash flow schedules, and maintain current company complete customer care and stakeholders, taking out the responsibilities of stakeholders as well. So
Okay,
then deadlines is my priorities. Within the deadlines I should do my work.
okay.
And in my
You,
third interview he told me about I'll be handling about 30 or 40 people at once in a day, so I have to be more patient. All the thing was that I have to handle without any stress and I have to be calm. He was testing for that, sir.
okay. And you know about the company or
Yes,
what
sir.
they work and what they do and all?
Yes,
Did you got any idea?
they offer all the construction works, interior works, maintenance works, all the works in construction, sir.
Okay,
So
okay. See,
this,
this is a company where technology-driven company where they handle a lot of projects, and
yes,
the
sir.
customers they will be given timeline because every project has a timeline. As per the time it is happening or not, you have to update the customer if there is any delay or anything. Because due to uncertainties now, maybe work may be slow due to material or the labor or something. I think you need to communicate to them what is
Yes,
the issue, and you have to see that proper drawings are available, materials are available at the project, and it is
yes,
timely completed in the given time, because
given
they
time. Yes,
hard earned money they are investing. Their expectations also will be more.
yes,
Okay, the customer's expectations will be more. So you have to understand, listen to the customer, to your other departments also. Somewhere some drawing may be delay, somewhere some material may be delay, somewhere some coordination needs to be done.
yes,
Where to the project manager or the project higher ups, you have to inform them this customer is having this issue. You have to take care, or the
yes.
priority you have to assign, and regularly meetings you have to attend. Then only you will
Attend.
get
Yes,
an idea. All the project coordination meetings. Initially, of course, you are a fresher and you done a construction management course, so you will get an idea about it. But really, if you are going to the project, you will feel that first 1 or 2 months it will be tough only. Once you handled all these things, then it becomes easy for you, and there is enough scope for the this kind of project coordination for the female, because a lot of other companies also they, and there is you can, if you work very well, and they will elevate you, and they will take you to the next levels also. They will assign 3 4
yes,
people to you, and you can manage like that. It happens. It's a wonderful this thing role, project coordination. Okay, and your role will be in office only, so you no need to go
yes,
to the projects and all. Only thing, you have to visualize the things what customer is telling. You have to visualize the things, and as per the visualization you have to coordinate. Okay,
yes, sir.
because customers also right, and your people also will be right, but you are the bridging person who coordinates all the people so that the work happens. Okay, and when is the joining date they told?
Monday, sir. By Monday.
Monday. This much
Yes.
quickly you are agreed to join. How many people attended the interview?
Only I was there and the interviewer, sir. That's
No,
it.
no. How many other people apart from you were attending the interview?
I may be the only person, sir.
Okay, maybe Shweta ma'am maybe sent so many CVs on that they could have
Yes,
shortlisted.
out of that I was shortlisted.
And you know, no, CMT works only on merit. Those who are,
Yes, sir.
we send whenever any requirement comes, we verify. The Shweta ma'am verifies all the candidates' credentials, and they, along with the
Yes, sir.
reports only, they are sending the CVs. Means you could have submitted a report also, what you have done and all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, that makes them, the interviewer and the technical person, also confident. Yes, they know little bit about construction. That's the reason here they are not asking whether you are a fresher and all. Otherwise, minimum 2 to 3 years they are asking for this role
Yes.
in any of the company. It's good you at least got a 3 months course here, and you got idea about construction. Now you are going, you will be confident enough to go. And my advice is you go through their website and learn what and all they are doing. Okay. And see, if you
Yes,
go to
sir.
a new place, also there will not be very good reception. Maybe some people may
Yes,
receive
sir.
you, some people may ignore you. Like that, the situation will be there anyway. But you should be strong enough to take care. Okay. After some time, definitely they will start speaking, and if friendship develops and a relationship develops, everyone will accept. Say new,
Yes.
when you are going anywhere, initially they will any place reluctance will be there. Sometime warm welcome also will be there, and that's a part of work. Okay, that you have to
Yes.
keep in mind. Okay, and you have to update your superior at the end of the day. What are the works you have done? If there is any challenges, you have to take a support of your superior. Okay, so
Yes.
they will guide you anyway. All the place superiors are available, they can give the guidance. And meanwhile, if you are comfortable, if you have any apart from that queries, you can speak to Natarajan sir anytime. He is available to guide you guys. Okay, all the best. See you. Anything else you want to convey to CMTA team?
Yes, sir. I would like to thank CMTI for giving this opportunity so I could crack, and I'll really want to thank Ashok, sir, you, sir, for providing this CMTI, for founding the CMTI, so we could change from the graduation level to something we know right now about the construction world. So I would really like to thank you, and also Natarajan sir and Vamshi sir for guiding me throughout, sir.
And any challenges you faced while you are doing your course in CMTA? Means they are very strict, not those people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
Daily they used to ask
your
questions and
college,
have.
your
Yes, sir.
college atmosphere will not be there in CMTA.
Yes, sir. That is for sure, sir.
That is the reason we wanted result at within 3 months or 4 months once they completed the course. So we create an work atmosphere so that you people are easily getting into the work. Okay,
Yes, sir.
presently also in this pandemic also we have so many openings available. Only thing is the students has to get ready and get their employments done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, according to the location and this thing. Okay, all the best. See you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Yeah.